Hello and welcome back to another episode of Microsoft Ignite Unplugged, the show about the making of the event known as Microsoft Ignite. This week, the session catalog is live. You can go there right now and you can take a peek at some of the session content that you're going to find at Microsoft Ignite. But we thought we'd kind of help you out and we'd reach out to some of our friends in the MVP community to see what they're looking forward to at Microsoft Ignite. So let me get out of the way and let's hear what their top picks are.
Hi, my name is Samantha Stanner. I'm a Microsoft MVP within Copilot and Microsoft Teams. So, of course, one of the sessions that I'm really looking forward to this year at Ignite is Unlock Smart Collaboration with Microsoft Teams. Well, Microsoft Teams is the hub for teamwork, and I'm just excited for all the news, demos, and fun we're going to get.
I'm Manny Tasto. I'm an Azure and AI MVP, and I'm super excited for a lot of sessions in Microsoft Ignite in Chicago. But I'm particularly excited for Inside Security for AI with Mark and Scott, as well as 6 tips for understanding and managing your Copilot user data at hyperscale. Who wouldn't love a technical, demo-filled session?
Hi everyone, here's Izzy in Switzerland. Microsoft Ignite is just around the corner and I'm getting so excited to get my bags packed, get on a plane and go over to Chicago in the United States. During my session planning, because it is going to be a crazy busy week, I checked out a session called Unicorns Unleashed, Innovate with Microsoft. And that's exactly what Ignite is about for me, about innovation. So I cannot wait to see what Microsoft has worked on in the past year and will present to us during Ignite. I hope you're as excited as I am, and I'll see you in Chicago.
Thank you to all of our friends in the MVP community for sharing what they're looking forward to. Now make sure that you go to the session catalog at ignite.microsoft.com to check it out for yourself. And don't forget, you have to register for the event to get the full digital experience. Now, before we wrap it up, we are going to leave you with 2 recommendations for a couple of breweries and tap rooms that are within walking distance of the McCormick Center. First up is Junior Fermenta. It is a winery and a brewery that focuses on craft fermentation. It's where you're going to be able to discover an innovative fusion of flavors of natural wines, natural ciders, modern aperitifs and vermouths, co-fermented hybrids, that's where they take the grapes and put them on top of the beer, vineyard ales, and mixed cultured saisons. This is your beer aficionados one-stop shop. We had a great conversation with the brewmaster, and we honestly cannot recommend this place enough. Number 2 is Fat Pour. Now it's more of your traditional restaurant-style tap room. It's located across the street from the venue, and it's actually attached to one of the hotels. It's a multi-level modern sports bar and restaurant that's going to be featuring an array of beer, delicious eats, I personally recommend the macaroni hamburger, and the ultimate game day atmosphere with over 200 plus beer. They're going to be open for you and your friends from 11 till 2 a.m. And make sure you check these places out at some point during your time in Chicago. Earlier this summer, when we took some of this footage, we took the time to check them both out, and we're giving them both the Microsoft Ignite Unplugged stamp of approval. Thanks so much for joining us. We appreciate you for tuning in. We'll see you next week for another episode of Microsoft Ignite Unplugged.